Hello my dear aspirants, a very warm welcome to you all. I hope everyone is doing great and preparing well for your upcoming LDA examination. I welcome you all to our official channel of Adda 24/7 Northeast. I'm your mentor Shubhankar Nongsiet, and today I've brought a very important session for all those aspirants who are going to appear for this particular examination on the 22nd of August. So in the last 20 days, we need a strategy so that we can get a common question in our examination. And in order to do that, you need to focus on PYQ more and more in these upcoming days. So I've analyzed your PYQ and I found a particular topic which has been seen being repeated in every year of LDA examination. Whenever the LDA examination happened, this particular question has also happened together. So let's understand what is that particular question which can surely give you around about 10 marks in this particular examination. So let's hope for the best, because as we see that this particular question trend is being repeated every year, so we can expect that it might repeat in this coming year as well. So let's see what is that particular topic. Okay, so mainly if I show you the question, this was the question. Yes, see, it came in 2023, then again it has been seen on 2024, then again on 2025, and so on. So it keeps repeating again and again, so it's like a golden topic for us. So let's understand how to solve this question with just one concept and one formula. That's it, nothing else. We just need one concept and one formula to solve this question, and we can guarantee it to get our marks. Let's do it, my friend. Chalo. See, firstly, this particular topic name is your clocks. Yes, clocks. So in clocks, what happens is, obviously we have seen a clock. What happens in a clock? We notice that in our clock, we have a dial. This is known as a dial. Yes, here we have numbers 12, 6, 9, 3, and so on. I'm not going to write it. And this is the center. And if you see the center, you can see three hands are there. One hand is known as your hour hand. One hand is known as your minute hand. And another hand we have, that is your second hand, which is not important for us. Because if you see previous year paper, they have asked only the questions through your minute hand and hour hand. So what do we need is, we need only minute hand and hour hand concept to solve this question. And if you notice very carefully, let me show you, this is a clock. Yes, if you notice, suppose it's 4 now. So whenever your minute hand moves, your hour hand also moves. And also you can notice one thing, that there is always some kind of angle which is being formed between your minute hand and the hour hand. Yes, see, if I bring them close, the angle decreases. If I bring them further, the angle increases. Yes, so this particular angle based question are asked many a times in your examination. So in order to solve such question, what do we need is, we just need one formula to remember. And what is that? I'm writing it here. You also remember with me. Just write down angle is equal to 11m divided by 2 minus of 30h. Okay, this is a golden formula which you can utilize to solve entire concept questions of clocks. Okay, now let me make you understand what are these notations. So out here, if you see A is what? A will be the angle which we are interested to find. M is what? M would be the minute which will be given to us, and H will be the hour, and that is also one parameter which will be given to us by the examiner. So we just need to put these parameters in this particular formula and you easily get the answer. Okay, let me show you how to utilize this by the first question which was asked in your examination. So out here, if you notice, what's given is that they have said that find the smaller angle made by an hour hand and minute hand at 10:20. So they have mentioned that the time they have given to us is how much? It is 10:20. And also we know that this is hour and this is our minute. Now what do we need? We just need the angle between them. So what do? We use the formula. Yes, use the formula. Angle is equal to 11m divided by 2 minus of 30h. Now if you place the angle, what do we get is, we get 11 into, instead of minute, we'll write 20, because they have given us 20 minutes. Yes, just put 20 out here and then divide this by 2. Done. And instead of hour, what do we need? We need to put 10 in it. Let's put 10. Minus of 30 into 10. Done. Now we can get the angle. Let's simplify this. Let's cancel 20 and 2. 2 tens is 20. So angle that you're getting is how much? 11 into 10 would be 110. Minus of 30 into 10 would be 300. Now if I subtract them, what do you notice is, you notice that we are getting minus of 190 degree. Okay, but do you see this particular value in our option? No, we do not see. Why? because they did not ask us the actual angle, they're asking us the smaller angle. What? Smaller angle. So how to get smaller angle? So just remember this as a trick. Whenever you get an angle and you do not see in the option, what you do is, in order to get the smaller angle, just subtract from 360 this particular angle and you'll get the answer. Just subtract 190 from this particular angle and you'll be able to see that your answer is 170 degree, which is option number A. Which is option number A. Okay, now let me make you understand this particular concept via our actual clock. You'll love it. See this. The time is 10:20. Yes, the time is 10 and it is 10:20. If you notice here, you can see two angles forming out here. Two angles are being formed. Which one? One is this one. One is my this angle. Yes, another one is the angle at the top. Let me mark it for you so that you can see. This is one angle and this is another angle which is being formed when the time is 10:20. So you tell me which one is the small angle. Obviously, this will be the small angle. See, this angle is closer to each other, right? As compared to this is bigger. Okay, so the examiner wants us to get this angle, not this. So what we got here is this was 190 degree. Yes, but we want to get this. So in order to get this entire angle is known as complete angle. And this entire angle is equal to 360 degree. So just subtract 190 from 360 and that way you're getting 170 degree, my friend. And this angle is what? It is 170, the small angle. Got it? And now let's understand why are we getting a negative sign out here. This negative sign indicates something to us. What is it? Let's see. So now see, your time is what? Okay, I can close this. Done. I hope you got it. The time was 10. Yes. Now just see, the angle is being formed here. When did it form? Sir, it formed before crossing the hour hand. See, your minute hand did not cross the hour hand yet. Right, that's why whatever angle you get in all these places, this all angle will always come in negative because the minute hand did not cross the hour hand. But once it crosses the hour hand, whatever time you see will always come in positive. Got it? So out here in my formula, okay, whatever we have written, there is a rule of writing it. So the rule is that whenever I encounter a negative sign, the negative sign will indicate that the minute hand did not cross the hour hand yet. Okay, but somehow if my answer comes in positive, that means you need to understand that the minute hand has surely crossed the hour hand. That's why it is coming positive. And this particular concept is utilized when they ask you to find the time and they give you the angle. We have a question for that also. I'll show you. Let's do one more question to get the confidence. See, this is another question. They have given that the time is 4:20. Now we need to get the angle. Let's do it. Time is 4:20. And we need to get what? We need to get the angle. Angle is 11 m. M is 20 out here. Minute is 20 divided by 2 minus of 30 into h is how much? Hour is 4. Just put 4 out here. Got it? So cancel 20 and 2. You're getting 10. So the angle made is how much? This 110 minus of 30 into 4 would be 120. And in that way, the angle that you're counting is minus of 10 degree, which I can see is in my option number B. Option number B. Let me show you in the clock as well. 4:20. Yes, see 4:20. Now it's 4. Okay. Now when does 4:20 happen? See, 4:20 happens out here. And when is it happening? When it did not cross. When it did not cross the hour hand yet. See, it did not cross the hour hand yet. That's why we are getting a negative angle. But once I take angle greater than this, all angle would be positive because it has already crossed the hour hand. Got it? Chalo, next. Now see, the same concept can be used in this particular question which came last year. Okay, this was the question which came in last year. Exact similar concept. Just out here we have to do the reverse. This is known as reverse engineering. In the previous question we had time and from time we went to angle. But now they have given us an angle and we have to go towards time. So it's the same formula that we are going to utilize, just that we need the angle. Okay, let's see what's given. At what time between 5:30 and 6? 5:30 and 6. Will the hands of a clock be at right angle? Do you know what's right angle? Right angle means that the angle between both the hand is 90 degree, my friend. Right angle means 90 degree. Always remember that. Got it? Now, what do we have in this particular question? So we have what? We have angle, that is your 90 degree. Okay. Along with that, we have hour as well. You would say, how do we have hour, sir? We don't know the hour. We know the hour because see, the time range that they have given is from 5:30 to 6. So just omit 30. 30 is of no use. Just think of 5, okay? 5 to 6. Now, if I ask you, what time in between 5 and 6 will make so and so angle? So your time will be what? It should be 5 something, 5 something. This something is what we are interested to find in this case. Got it? Because we know that it should be 5. It cannot be 6 because if it's 6 something, it has already crossed. The range is from 5 to 6. Yes. That means the time whatever we'll get should be 5 something. Yes. That is why in hour we'll always take the smaller value, which is your 5. And as we write 5 here, we just need to get the minute. And from where will we get the minute? Tell me. We are going to get the minute from the formula, my friend. Okay. Let me show you how to do it. See here. You'll find it quite interesting. What was the formula? Angle is equal to 11m divided by 2 minus of 30h. Yes, this is what we are interested in finding in this particular case because we already have an angle and we already have the hour. Let's put the values and get the answer. So firstly, if I put the angle to be 90, okay, this will be 11m divided by 2 minus 30 into h, I am putting 5. So 30 into 5 would be 150. I'm writing it directly, okay. Now what will happen is if I take 150 that side, simple equation, negative 50 becomes positive 150 there. So 150 plus 90 would be 240. Yes. So what am I getting is I'm getting that 11m by 2 is equal to this 150 has come here and it gets added to 90. This becomes 240. Now in order to get m, just take 11 and to the other side and you'll get the answer. And how to do that? So remember, whatever is at the bottom, it goes there and it gets multiplied. Okay, cross multiplication. 2 will go at the top, 11 would come at the bottom. So 2 into 240 is going to be 480. Yes. And this 11 is going to come down. So this is divided by 11. And this is my minute, my friend. This is the minute that I want to find. Now we can solve this. How to solve? Just divide 480 by 11. So 11 4s is 44. Subtract it, you're getting 40. Yes. 11 3s is 33. Subtract and you're getting 7. Now how to write this in mixed fraction format because it's given in mixed fraction? It's quite simple. Always write the quotient at first. 43. Then just draw a line and remainder should come at the top. So 7 and at the bottom you'll have the divisor 11. 43 7 by 11 minutes. That means what will be the time? So the time would be 5:43 7 by 11 minutes. And that is when I'll see the exact 90 degree in my clock, which is in my option number A. Okay, 5:43 can be written as 43 minutes past 5. Should I show you? Let's see. Let's see in the clock. 5:43. Okay, 5:43. So it's 5 now. Yes, 5:43. So in order to have 43, see, it's crossing the clock. Yes, and that is the reason why we are taking the angle to be positive 90. Got it? 43 ये 40 हो गया. 41, 42, 43. I cannot show you the fraction part obviously because this is a mechanical clock. So it should be in between this particular two division, okay, in between, but see, it's exactly 90 degree. Got it? So this is how you use the formula to solve these questions. Okay, right? Okay, so the next question is this one. Now in this particular question, we don't need the formula because this is a basic question, right? In order to solve such question, an accurate clock shows 8 o'clock in the morning. Through how many degree will the hour hand rotate when the clock shows 2 o'clock in the afternoon? 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So such question you would solve by drawing just a clock. It's very simple. Let me show you. See here. We'll draw a clock quickly in our examination. Okay. Just write down here 12. This would be 6. This would be 3. This would be 9. 10, 11, 1, 2, 4, 5. 7 and 8. Okay. Now, what is the time? So it is 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. So when it's 8 o'clock, your hour hand should face this side. Now, till what we are going? We are going till 2 o'clock afternoon. Afternoon means what? See, this is AM, right? Currently, this from till 12. Okay, from this part till 12, these are all AM. And once I cross 12, it becomes PM. And this is what is known as the afternoon. Yes. You're rotating it and you're bringing till 2. Till 2. This is where this will come. And now if you notice, I think I don't have to make you explain. I don't need to explain because this particular angle will be what? Can you see a straight line? Yes. When it is a straight line, you'll have a straight angle and that is always 180 degree. That's it, which is in option number D. Option number D. Got it? Now, same concept can be utilized in this question and this question, and see, this exact same question came on 2023 LDA, and again it came on, I think, 2024 if I'm not mistaken. You can check it out. Same exact question. That means what? MPSC LDA has a trend of repeating question and exact same questions. Got it? That's why focus on PYQ more at this stage. Okay, but if you seriously want to crack this particular examination in a very short interval of time by learning as many concepts as possible, as many tricks as possible, then you should enroll to our batch, which is MPSC LDA Crash Course MCQ batch. How to join? Contact this particular number and they'll guide you with everything. The process, how the classes will be conducted, what kind of classes you'll get, and what are the content that you'll be getting. They'll guide you through everything. Just contact this number and get yourself counseled. And if you don't want to join the batch, no worries, do not join. But you need to practice. And in order to practice, what you can do is you can get yourself test prime. This is a mock test which has round about 600 plus exams covered. So obviously you'll have a mock test for MPSC LDA. Along with that, you'll have mock tests for other exams as well. It's very manageable. It's quite not that expensive. It's very cheap. Okay, around about 100 rupees or so. Just utilize my code YT81 if you want to purchase from our app. And where is the app link? App link is given in the description. Click, download the app and utilize this last 20 days as much as you can. So my friend, I hope you like this session. If you like this session, please comment down below that lovely. Please comment down below lovely. And also, if you want next such session where you want to see a previous year paper analysis and similar question, then you can comment down next session, lovely, next session, lovely, next session. And in that way, I'll get motivation to make another video for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the session. If you enjoyed, then make sure to like the session, and new aspirants, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon because I'll be posting daily videos at this time for you guys. So all the very best and see you in the next session. Take care. Bye-bye.